If you're not a permanent resident, you can also apply for a bond redetermination hearing, and the judge will consider your ties to the community. Are you married? Do you have kids? Do you have a steady job? Do you have a place that you rent or own? These are all things the judge would consider to see if you're eligible for bond. And then what would happen is you would go to immigration court hearings, whether you're detained or released, and then your attorney would have to apply for a defense from removability if you are actually removable. There have been many times I've seen, and cases I've even handled myself, where immigrants are charged with removability, and at the first hearing, the Department of Homeland Security is unable to meet their burden of demonstrating that the immigrant is removable. And removal proceedings right there will be terminated by the immigration judge. This happened last year to one of my cases where someone was charged as being inadmissible for a certain crime in New Jersey. So that actually gets us into the second way that you could be placed into removal proceedings, and that is people who are inadmissible. So there are certain crimes that make you straight up deportable. The easiest example of this is if you've been convicted of a crime involving moral turpitude within 5 years of becoming a permanent resident. So you get your green card, and within 5 years, if you're convicted of certain types of crimes, you are deportable. Or at any time, if you're convicted of 2 crimes involving moral turpitude, you are deportable.